I'm Greg Schinkel with 3 reasons why HR professionals and operations managers choose frontline leadership training from Unique Training and Development. Number 1 is demonstrated behaviors. If your supervisors don't at least look forward to attending the sessions and find them useful, there'll be no impact from the training. Our instructors are engaging with manufacturing and operational experience, plus all the examples that we use in the sessions relate directly to what your people would see on the factory floor. Reason number 2 is quantified impact. You need to get a return on your training investment, and the way that happens is when your people put their learning into action. They'll set a commitment at the end of each session, and our Leader Behavior Builder system will check in with them to see how they're progressing over a 2 to 4 week period. It'll generate a great report that will show you the impact that the training is having on your organization. And reason number 3 is sustained change. You want to see training move from being an event to an ongoing process. Even though we might start with a pilot project, you can rest assured that we have an extensive library of topics for follow-up sessions, or your people will at least benefit from our on-demand content so that the training will extend for many months beyond what they might pick up in the classroom. All of this starts with a conversation on our website at uniquedevelopment.com, and then we can decide what is the best way to start to demonstrate our effectiveness to you, and then build an ongoing partnership for organizational excellence.